Broadly speaking, funds either aim to deliver growth, income, or a mixture of the two. A growth fund aims to solely increase the value of the investments held in the portfolio over time. An income fund wants to do the same thing, but also gives investors some income. This income can either be cashed in by investors or reinvested. Income funds tend to make an income payment to investors either twice a year, quarterly, or in some cases on a monthly basis. The dividend yield, which is a percentage figure, indicates the amount of income that is being generated by the fund's underlying investments. Most UK equity income funds have dividend yields around 3.5 to 4%, meaning they could provide £350 to £400 per year on a £10,000 investment. How you decide between growth and income funds depends on why you are investing and how long you are investing for. If you're in retirement and are looking for a regular stream of income, then income funds may be more attractive. If you are young and saving towards your retirement, then growth-focused funds may appeal more. However, even if you don't need the income today, it is well worth considering income funds because when income is reinvested, it can make an enormous difference to the growth of your investment portfolio over the long term. That's because the effect of compounding works its magic. Compounding growth refers to the way investment returns themselves generate gains. Income is reinvested into a fund which then generates income itself, and so on. That's why it makes sense to consider investing in both growth and income funds as part of a well-diversified portfolio.